I am Andrew Ingkavet, creator of the Musicolor Method. If you teach music to kids and you've ever felt it shouldn't be this hard, you're right. Kids don't fail at music. Methods fail kids. You know, traditional notation asks children to think before they feel confident. Musicolor flips that. We start with instinct, with color, pattern, structure, and story, so children play first and grow into real music reading step by step. And that's why we call our teachers Musicolor coaches. Because a coach guides, a coach builds confidence, a coach knows how to place the next stepping stone right where a child's going to stay engaged, not bored or overwhelmed. So our licensing program gives studios and schools a clear early childhood and beginner pathway with consistent results across all teachers and support for all kinds of learners. So you can begin with Musicolor Coach Level 1. It's a fast, focused certification that gets you teaching with confidence right away. And if you feel that pull to grow, to serve more kids, to build something meaningful that lasts, trust it. Explore the licensing options below. Start with Musicolor Coach Level 1 and let's unlock what's possible for you and for the children you teach.